Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mansi and in today's video I will be talking about how to be your own true self with others as well as with yourself. So what's the purpose of this video? In today's video I will be talking about how to be your own true self not only when you're around others but also when you're alone. This is about returning to your most authentic, raw, and your beautiful essence. Who this is for? In short, this is for everyone, but especially for those who are people pleasing, who are having self doubt, who are overthinkers, and who are healing from any trauma or having societal pressures. Why this matters? Living inauthentically leads to emotional stress, burnout, and even identity loss. True self is equal to inner peace, confidence, aligned relations, and as well as soul freedom. Part 1. Why do we lose our true self? First, because of childhood conditioning. We are always taught to gain other people's approval, to be that good girl or to not cry and to be perfect. Because we feel that in order to be loved, we have to be according to that person. Second, people pleasing and fear of judgment. The habit of saying yes even when we need to say no because we feel that saying no is mean and seeking external validation is more important than the inner truth. Third, societal and cultural expectations, gender roles, image standards, and success definitions. You're expected to follow the script and not what your soul calls. Fourth, trauma and inner wounding. Trauma makes us feel disconnect with our own soul essence and as well as inner child hides to protect itself. Part 2. How to be your true self with yourself. First, spend time alone intentionally. Sit in silence with no distraction, journal, meditate, and walk in nature. Second, ask yourself deep questions such as what do I truly love? What beliefs are really mine? Why I am pretending to not know about myself? Third, reconnect with your inner child. What do you love as a child before anyone judged you? Inner healing is the gateway to your purest self. Fourth, embrace your emotions without shame. Your feelings is your compass. Don't dismiss or numb it. Learn to say it's okay to feel it. Fifth, heal self betrayal patterns. Every time you suppress your truth, you betray yourself. Reflect on where do I say yes when I wanted to say no. Sixth, reparent yourself with love. Give yourself that love, care, encouragement, and validation that you crave from others. Say yourself comforting words such as I see you and I love the way you are. 7. Be honest in self talk. When you talk yourself, be honest with your feelings and emotions. Be true and understand yourself. Say to yourself that you don't need to be perfect, you need to be real. Part 3. How to be your true self around others. First, stop filtering yourself to be liked. If people like a filter version of yourself, that means that they don't know really about you. Let go of needing everyone to understand you. Second, practice speaking truth in small ways. When you don't agree on things, just say that I don't agree with it. Build your truth step by step. Third, set soul aligned boundaries. True self can't thrive without space. Boundaries is equal to self love and not selfishness. Fourth, detach from outcomes. Speak your own truth and let go of how others will react on it. Their reaction is not your responsibility. Fifth, surround yourself with soul safe people. People who make you feel safe and not small. Let go of the relations that dim your light. Sixth, celebrate your uniqueness. Your uniqueness, your passion, your words, it all matters. So own it. You're not here to be that perfect. You're here to be the real one. Seventh, make peace by not being understood. Not everyone will understand you, and that's okay. You're not here to fit in every room, but to be with the real ones. Part 4. Daily practices to stay true with yourself. First, morning check in rituals. Ask yourself what's true for me today. Set a tone for the day based on your inner guidance. Second, evening journal reflection. Did I honor myself today? Did I shrink or shine? Have a reflection of the day. Third, daily affirmations of authenticity. Say that I trust myself, I am safe being seen, my truth is worthy. Fourth, creative expressions. Paint, dance, speak, write, let your soul flow. Do the things you really crave for and love doing it. Self expression keeps your true self alive. Fifth, mirror work. Look in the mirror and say, I see you, I accept you, and I love the real you. Part 5, common blocks and how to overcome it. First, the fear of rejection. The reality is you might lose people, but you might also find yourself and the real one who would love being with you. Better than being disliked from those who don't even know you, from being loved by and accepted by the people who are actually true and right for you. Second, the fear of conflict. You can be kind and honest at the same time. Your truth might shake things, but it will also set you free. Third, imposter syndrome. Your authenticity is your expertise. You don't need to be perfect in order to be worthy. Fourth, shame and guilt. You're allowed to evolve. Release the version of yourself that you created for the survival mode. Part 6, signs you're living as your true self. First, you feel light and free and not heavy and anxious. Second, you stop seeking external validation or approval. Third, you attract genuine and soulful connections. Fourth, you feel inner peace more than chaos. Fifth, you love being in solitude. Sixth, you inspire others to be real too. So, in conclusion, I would like to say that being your true self is a journey and not a one time act. Every time you choose yourself honesty over freedom, your soul expands. And remember, the world needs the real one, the real and the authentic one, not the more masked faced people. The world does not need more perfect ones, but the real ones, and it starts with you. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope that this video find you helpful. See you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.